Union Territory, Article 104. Article 1. India, that is Bharat, is a union state including state and UT. Part 2. Parliament can admit or establish new state into India. 2A. Special provision for the state Sikkim now repealed. Part 3. Parliament can create new state and change the area boundary or name existing state. Article 4. Laws under Article 2(3) not considered constitutional amendment. Citizenship 5 से 11. 5 में सिटीजनशिप कमिटमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन विद डोमिसाइल. 6 में इंडिया माइग्रेटेड इंडिया फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान. 7 में माइग्रेंट्स टू पाकिस्तान आर नॉट इंडियन सिटीजन एक्सेप्ट दोज हु रिटर्न विद द परमिट. 8 सिटीजनशिप ऑफ पर्सन ऑफ इंडियन ओरिजिन रिसाइडिंग आउटसाइड इंडिया. 9 वॉलंटरी एक्विजिशन ऑफ फॉरेन सिटीजनशिप लेड टू लॉस ऑफ सिटीजनशिप. आर्टिकल 10 में कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ सिटीजनशिप इज सब्जेक्ट टू laws made by parliament. 11 parliament has power to regulate the acquisition and termination of citizenship. फंडामेंटल राइट 12 से 35 पार्ट 3 में. आर्टिकल 12 डिफाइन स्टेट इंक्लूडिंग गवर्नमेंट लेजिस्लेचर अथॉरिटी एंड कंट्रोल ऑफ इंडिया. 13 लॉ इनकंसिस्टेंट विथ फंडामेंटल राइट आर वाइड एस्टेब्लिश जुडिशियल रिव्यू. 14 इक्वलिटी बिफोर लॉ और इक्वल प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ लॉ. 15 प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑन रिलीजन रेस कास्ट सेक्स प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ. 16 इक्वलिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी इन पब्लिक एम्प्लॉयमेंट. 17 एबॉलिश ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी. 18 एबॉलिश ऑफ टाइटल एक्सेप्ट मिलिट्री एंड एकेडमिक डिस्टिंक्शन. आर्टिकल 19 गारंटी 6 फ्रीडम इंक्लूडिंग स्पीच मूवमेंट प्रोफेशन एंड रिस्ट्रिक्शन. 20 प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट एक्स पोस्ट फैक्टो लॉ डबल ज्योपार्डी सेल्फ इंक्रिमिनेशन. 21 प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लिबर्टी एक्सेप्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रोसीजर एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय लॉ. 21A राइट टू फ्री एंड कंपलसरी एजुकेशन फॉर चिल्ड्रन एज 6 से 14 ईयर. आर्टिकल 22 सेफगार्ड अगेंस्ट आर्बिट्री अरेस्ट एंड डिटेंशन अलाउ प्रिवेंटिव डिटेंशन. 23 प्रोहिबिट ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग बेगारी एंड फोर्स लेबर. 24 एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन बिलो 14 इन हजार्डस वर्क. 25 फ्रीडम ऑफ कंसाइंस एंड राइट टू प्रोफेस प्रैक्टिस प्रोपागेट रिलीजन. 26 religious domination can manage their own religious affair. 27 no tax shall be used to promote any particular religion. 28 restrict religious instruction in government educational institution. 29 protect language script and culture of minority. 30 minority have right to establish administer educational institution. 31 right to property remove fundamental. Article 31A protect law under law related to land reforms and judicial review. 31B 9th schedule laws are protected from court challenge. 32 right to constitutional remedy individual can approach the Supreme Court. 33 Parliament can restrict the fundamental right of armed force and police. 34 provide indemnity for act during martial law. 35 Parliament has exclusive power to law on certain fundamental rights. एक पार्ट 4 DPSP 36 से 51. 36 में डिफिनीशन ऑफ स्टेट फॉर डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल. 37 में डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल आर नॉन जस्टिसेबल बट फंडामेंटल इन गवर्नेंस. 38 स्टेट शैल प्रमोट सोशल इकोनॉमिक पॉलिटिकल जस्टिस. 39 स्टेट पॉलिसी टू इंश्योर इक्विटेबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रिसोर्स एंड लाइवलीहुड. 39A इक्वल जस्टिस एंड फ्री लीगल एड. 40 स्टेट शैल ऑर्गेनाइज विलेज पंचायत. 41 राइट टू वर्क एजुकेशन एंड पब्लिक असिस्टेंस इन सर्टेन केस. 42 आर्टिकल प्रोविजन फॉर वुमेन वर्किंग कंडीशन एंड मैटरनिटी लीव. 43 लिविंग वेज एंड डिसेंट स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग फॉर वर्कर. 43A वर्कर पार्टिसिपेशन इन द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. 44 यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड. 45 अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एंड एजुकेशन फॉर चिल्ड्रन बिलो 6 ईयर. 46 प्रमोशन ऑफ एजुकेशनल एंड इकोनॉमिक इंटरेस्ट SC ST एंड वीकर सेक्शन. 47 स्टेट ड्यूटी टू इम्प्रूव न्यूट्रिशन पब्लिक हेल्थ एंड प्रोहिबिट इंटॉक्सिकेंट. 48 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ काउ. 48 से प्रोटेक्शन एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट वाइल्ड लाइफ. 49 प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ मॉन्यूमेंट्स एंड नेशनल इम्पोर्टेंस. 50 सेपरेशन ऑफ जुडिशियरी फ्रॉम एग्जीक्यूटिव. 51 स्टेट शैल प्रमोट इंटरनल पीस रिस्पेक्ट इंटरनेशनल लॉ एंड इनकरेज फ्रेंडली रिलेशन एमंग नेशन. पार्ट 5 यूनियन. 52 से 151 देयर शैल बी ए प्रेसिडेंट हेड ऑफ स्टेट. 53 executive power of union is vested in president and exercised in his name. 54. President is elected by electoral college of elected MP or MLA. 55. Lay down the manner of election of the president using proportional representation. 56. President hold office for 5 years, may resign earlier. 57A. 57. A person eligible for re-election as president. 58. Qualification of the president including Indian citizen, minimum age 35 साल. 59. President shall not hold any office of profit, receive an official residence. 60. Take oath to preserve, protect and defend the constitution. 61. Procedure for impeachment of president, violation of the constitution. 62. Election to fill vacancy in the president office must be held within 6 months. Article 63. Vice President. 64. Vice President ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. 65. Vice President acts as President when the office is vacant. Vice President. 66. Elected by member of both House of Parliament. 67. Vice President hold office 5 years. 68. Election to fill Vice President vacancy to be held before expiry of the term. 69. Vice President take oath before President or a person appointed by him. 70. Parliament may make law for discharge of President function in contingency. 71. All disputes regarding President and Vice President election are decided by the Supreme Court. 72. President has the power to grant pardon, deprive, respite, remission and punishment. 73. Executive power of Union extended to matter which Parliament can legislate. 74. President act aid and advice of Council of Ministers. 75. Prime Minister appointed by President, Council of Ministers, collective dismissal to Lok Sabha. 76. Attorney General of India, Chief Legal Advisor of Government. 77. Executive action of the Union are taken in the President. 78. Prime Minister communicates decision of Council of Ministers to the President. 79. Parliament consists President, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. 80. Composition of Rajya Sabha and elected and nominated member. 81. Composition of Lok Sabha. Population of state. Readjustment of constituency after each census. 83. Lok Sabha 5 years. Rajya Sabha permanent body. 84. Qualification of member of Parliament. 85. President summon, prorogue, dissolve of Lok Sabha. 86. President has right to address and send message to Parliament. 87. A special address by President first session after election. 88. Minister have right to participate Parliament proceeding. 89. Vice President, Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Deputy Chairman be elected by House. 90. Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha hold office until removed. 91. Deputy Chairman act as Chairman when the office is vacant. 92. Chairman or Deputy Chairman does not preside when a resolution or removal is under consideration. 93. Lok Sabha elect Speaker and Deputy Speaker. 94. Deputy Speaker or Deputy Speaker vacate under the specific condition. 95. Deputy Speaker act as a Speaker when the office is vacant. 96. Speaker does not preside when the removal resolution is under consideration. Salary and allowance of presiding officer of Parliament. Separate secretariat staff for each House Parliament. Member of Parliament must take an oath before taking their seat. So decisions in Parliament are taken by majority vote of member present and voting. Vice President. Constitutional provision. Article 63. Office of Vice President of India. 64. Ex officio Chairman of Rajya Sabha. 65. Act as President during vacancy. 66. Election procedure. Term of office. 67. 68. Vacancy and election. 69. Oath and affirmation. 70. Discharge of President function in contingency. 71. Election dispute decided by Supreme Court. Election process. Electoral college member of both House of Parliament including nominated member. Voting system. Proportional representation by single transferable vote. Voting method. Secret ballot conducted by Election Commission of India. State legislature no role. Qualification. 66(3). Citizenship age 35 years. Eligibility qualified for election as Rajya Sabha member. Office of profit must not hold under union or state government. Term and removal at 67. 5-year designation address to President. Removal resolution by Rajya Sabha by majority of all members. Lok Sabha must agree to removal resolution. Notice 14 days prior notice required. Re-election permitted. Power and function. Chairman of Rajya Sabha preside over session. Casting vote only in case of tie. Act as president during vacancy death. Resignation removal of president. Salary as chairman of Rajya Sabha. Second schedule. Second in order of precedence. Vacancy 68. Regular vacancy election before expiry of term. Casual vacancy election within 6 months. Full term. Newly elected vice president serve 5-year term. Oath Article 69 administered by President of affirm true faith and allegiance to Constitution. Important point: Rajya Sabha member not member of despite being chairman. Joint sitting does not preside. Speaker preside. Impeachment no not applicable. Election dispute Supreme Court decided. 71. First current records. First Vice President Dr. S. Radhakrishnan 1952. Current Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan 15. Since 12 सितंबर 2025. लॉन्गेस्ट सर्विंग डॉक्टर एस राधाकृष्णन 1952 से 62. रिजाइन टू कंटेस्ट प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन बीबी गिरी 1969. कंपेरिजन विथ प्रेसिडेंट. इलेक्टर कॉलेज वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्टेड ओनली बाई एमपी. प्रेसिडेंट बाई एमपी एमएलए. रिमूवल बाई वाइस प्रेसिडेंट बाई पार्लियामेंट्री रिजोल्यूशन. प्रेसिडेंट बाई इम्पीचमेंट. 61. रोल वीपी लेजिस्लेटिव हेड. प्रेसिडेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव हेड. Indian Council of Ministers constitutional basis Article 74 aid and advice binding 44 constitutional amendment 1978 reconsidered once. Article 75 appointment tenure collective responsible oath third schedule salary by parliament. Article 77 conduct of business rule. Article 78 PM duty to inform president. 88 right to speak both house vote only member house. Article 84 qualification. 91st constitutional amendment 2003 maximum size 15% of Lok Sabha. Anti-defection standing. 44 inserted cabinet in Article 352 composition. PM head cabinet minister. MOS independent. MOS deputy minister. Rear cabinet rear policy body. Cabinet committee political affairs security economic affairs appointment parliament affairs accommodation investment growth employment skill. Other kitchen cabinet informal extra constitutional appointment and qualification. PM by president. Other on PM advice oath and office secrecy. Non-MP valid 6 months. Office of profit restriction. Qualified MP cannot continue minister. Pleasure of president depend on Lok Sabha majority. Collective responsibility only to Lok Sabha. No confidence defeated. Entire council of ministers resign. Money will defeat. Treated confidence loss. Individual responsibility via PM. Public assent convention resignation. Caretaker government routine decision only. Executive power real executive authority policy formulation administration control portfolio allocation reshuffle by PM. Key appointment advice governor CAG attorney general UPSC election commission chief of armed force constitutional and statutory authority emergency advice 352 national 356 state 360 financial. Legislative power control agenda majority bill government money bill only on president recommendation. Ordinance advice Article 123 summon prorogue dissolve Lok Sabha. Constitutional amendment bill introduction. Financial power budget preparation annual financial statement tax proposal supplementary grant contingency fund. Fiscal policy decision. Diplomatic and defense foreign policy direction treaty negotiation international agreement war and peace decision. Formal act president prime minister chairmanship leader of council of ministers and cabinet preside meeting coordinate ministries resolve dispute principal advisor to president. Link Article 78 recommendation appointment and removal leader Lok Sabha if member chairs Niti Aayog. National Integration Council Interstate Council if delegate National Water Resource Council. Cabinet Committee Appointment Committee Security Committee Economic Affairs Committee Crisis Management Group, High Level Task Force, other executive bodies as notified. Important point: Parliamentary system fusion, executive legislature, real executives, council of minister, nominal executive, president, collective responsibility, not to Raj Sabha minister speak both house, vote one or attorney general, not council of minister member, shadow cabinet, not Indian practice, maximum strength 15% of Lok Sabha.